Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to make 3D text using Adobe Illustrator. First of all, go to File and click New. Make the width 1920 and the height 1080 and click OK. Next, using the Type tool, type the text you want to make as 3D and make the size 400. Using the selection tool, align the text to the center. After that, go to Effect, 3D and click on Extrude and Bevel. Now choose the position as isometric top and the surface as no shading. Now hold the Alt key and press the up arrow key to separate the text. Now go to Object and click on Expand Appearance. Then add a stroke to it. Now using the Direct Selection tool, select the upper part of the text and change the color. Now do the same to the parts facing left. Now select the whole text and ungroup it. Then select the upper part of the text and group it. Now get the height by using this technique. Select the upper part of the text, right click, go to transform and click move. Now paste the height in vertical and click copy. Now move the text back and change the color to black. While selecting the text, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and click Transform. Make the copy 200 and the horizontal 0.1 and click OK. And also make the opacity 40%. The next step is adding color to the text. First, download a color scheme. Color the text like I did. Draw a rectangle and send it back. At last, change the color of the shadow.